Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my lash clusters, my cluster lashes. I don't really do the strip lashes anymore because I hate seeing that line. It just doesn't agree with me and they irritate me. They never end up coming out exactly how I want them to. But with these, they look so natural, so effortless. It kind of gives the illusion as if you got your individual lashes done. I believe all these supplies cost no more than like $25, maybe $30. I still have mine and you could do this like probably over 10 times. Maybe more with the supplies that I'm gonna link down below. This lasts about maybe 2 to 3 days, so it's not long lasting like if you got your individual lashes done, but it's cute if you're going out for the weekend and you just want your lashes done for the weekend or something like that. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Hey guys, so as I said in the intro, I'm going to be showing you how I do my lashes, and also I'm going to be getting ready as I do this. That's why you're going to see me progressively put on makeup and stuff, because that's the only way for me for this not to take forever. If I just sat here and only did the lashes and not my makeup, it would take me like 2 hours, but it takes me about, I would say, an hour to do my makeup and lashes all at one time. I got this off Amazon and I really like to use majority these, because if you don't and you just use the other ones, it looks very like, I want it to look natural in the sense of you don't like see the strip, but I also want it to look full as well, and these really help me get that look. I like them to be the wider strip because it's easier for me to apply and you have to do less of them. When you do, I also have these and I may use these like at the very corners, but I don't like how small those are, and it's easier to mess up with these and you have to use more of them if you did your whole eye with those. So the difference between these and your regular like the whole strip is the whole strip usually goes over top the lash and these go underneath the lash, so that way it's more natural looking. This is the Falscara Bond and Seal, and I'll have it linked down below, of course. The bond is what you put on each of your lashes and then you stick the lash underneath. The seal is what you use after you're done the whole thing, and it kind of like is supposed to seal it in place. This is just the applicator tweezers. Much easier using this than your fingers. So yeah, highly recommend these two products. I would say these only stay on for like a max maybe 3 days, maybe, and that's pushing it if you're like not sleeping crazy. So yeah, they're not as long lasting as if you go and get your lashes done, but that's really expensive, and I'm a very I'm not a cheap person, but I'm a frugal person and I don't want to spend that much. You want to put the bond on only the section that you're working on at a time. If you do the bond all over, it's gonna dry too quick before you can move on. So I'm gonna start from the very end and put it on there. It doesn't feel like a lot is going on, but it is. So the key is not to put the lashes on just yet. You want it to get a little tacky. I kind of want to do my edges. The first product that I use is Edge Booster. You guys have seen me use this a lot on here, as well as Gorilla Snot Gel. I kind of like left them out. I left a lot of edges out because I wanted to like curl them with the flat iron. Honestly, don't feel like burning them off today, so that's why I'm just going to not do that today. This has dried enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the first lash. So I'm just gonna take my tweezers and peel it off. If you use your finger, it usually breaks off. So, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stick it under there. Whoop. Stick it under there, and I'm just gonna hold it with the tweezers for a few seconds. I'm gonna let that bond dry up a little bit. Okay, now it's time to, and I try to line them up the best that I can. You want to kind of like line them up the best that you can so they're in like a straight line. Push down with your eyelid too while you're holding it. Okay, looks pretty good. Like so far, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna apply the next set of bonding right here. You just gotta be very patient because once you put it on there, it's really not good to move it because you could rip it off and you gotta apply some more adhesive, some more bond. But once you put it on there, it's pretty much gonna be stuck and you'll have to reapply the bond if you want to take it off. Yeah, isn't that like, it's already looking so pretty. Okay, so now we're about to apply a lash to the inner lash area. For me, like people like to like a gradient of lashes, so thicker at the end and then, you know, get like thinner on the inside. Now for me, that's when you can go ahead and use like these where, you know, it's like different millimeters. But for me, I'm just going to keep it thick across the board, but it's completely up to you. Alright, so that's that. I'm just gonna use mascara because when I try to put like something right there, they just end up falling off. So I'm just going to use some mascara right there. Alright, now we're gonna move on to this eye. Like a trick that I learned from watching YouTube videos is you want to like mold your eyebrows before you start to outline them. It helps to keep the hairs in place, so I just take some of that gorilla's knot and brush them up so that way they'll stay in place as I'm outlining them. But you want this to dry completely before you start to outline them. Alright guys, so now all the lashes are on. As you can see, it just looks really nice. You don't have to worry about that line across with the lash strips that go on top. It's a little bit more time, but like I said, if you're putting on your makeup or doing your hair or something, just do it while you're doing something else and it won't take as long. You still have to do one more step. So to seal them in place, and this will let it last maybe 3 days max, you just take the other end of the Falscara stick, and it's called the seal. It's clear, and this is the point where you just take it and it's gonna lock it in place, but you only want to apply it at the lash, at like the root, the very where it's attached. You don't want to bring it all the way up because it'll make it really crunchy. So just do that, and then also do it on the inside as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and lets me know that you guys are enjoying it. And also subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you will never miss an upload. And last but not least, comment down below stuff that you guys want to see from me. I really enjoy your feedback. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.